the variety of things and beings in the universe leads to the electromagnetism of our mind, productive of our likes and dislikes. We like present things and beings and dislike unpleasant things and beings. And these likes and dislikes are the result of mental magnetism falling to the mind. The original mind is free of magnetism. In the page 18 of volume 1 in the Anguttara Nikaya, Buddha has said, our original mind is radiant. Babastram idam bhikkhave chitta. Adante ki pakliti paklito. It becomes defiled by electromagnetism of our likes and dislikes. They are called pollutions because the radiant mind gets polluted by likes and dislikes, hiding the true nature of things and beings. According to Buddha, there is nothing or no being that is going to be permanent. Everything is instant because we become aware of things and beings through our thinking, made of electromagnetism. And electromagnetism results in sparks of our mind. Every spark of the mind is born to die instantly. That means nothing can remain static. Everything is doomed to be generated and degenerated. Buddha referred to generation as uppado and degeneration as vayu. And such generation and degeneration is a mental manifestation called by kilesa in Pali, mental pollution. The mind gets polluted by the electromagnetism. The pure mind is made of pure electricity, devoid of likes and dislikes, devoid of magnetism, devoid of attraction and repulsion that we express as our likes and dislikes. Therefore, our likes and dislikes are produced by the electromagnetism falling to the original mind, which is radiant, as said, Pabhasramidam bhikkhave chitta by the Buddha, as I mentioned earlier at page 18 of volume 1 in the Anguttara Nikaya. The unenlightened mind is defiled or polluted by electromagnetism, while the enlightened mind is free of pollution and defilements. That is pure radiant mind. product of pure electricity, free of magnetism. It is this magnetism makes our life sometimes pleasant and sometimes unpleasant. Whenever we experience pleasant things and beings, the mind seems to be present. And whenever the mind experiences unpleasant things and beings, the mind looks unpleasant. It is this variation that we call variety in the mind, variety of likes and dislikes, caused by the variety of things and beings. Sometimes that look pleasant, sometimes that look unpleasant. We like pleasant things and beings and dislike unpleasant things and beings. But this pleasantness or unpleasantness of things and beings is not inherent in things and beings. It is only produced by our mind, by our attitude. The pure mind is free from the attitude, this type of attitude caused by electromagnetism. The enlightened mind is produced or generated by electromagnetism, free of likes and dislikes. It is such a mind that can accept things as they are. The variety of the universe is not done by oneself or somebody else, called Almighty God. That is why Buddha says in the Sela Sutra, Naidang Attakata, Naidang Karakata. Nothing in this universe is made by oneself or somebody else. They are natural events. Therefore, to lead a pleasant life, undefiled mind, one has to accept things as they are. That is the attitude of an enlightened mind. It is called in Pali Yatha Bhuta Jnana Darsana. Yatha Bhuta Jnana Darsana is seeing things as they are. But here, Darsana, though it literally means seeing, it is not seen by the eye, but by the mind. Just a mind gets a sensation, feeling of pleasantness or unpleasantness when electromagnetism crops up. But without electromagnetism, the mind can accept things as they are. Such a mind is called an enlightened mind, full of light. Enlightened means. Therefore, pollution is called darkness of the mind. Moha andhakara. Moha means ignorance, not knowing the reality. Buddhahood means realizing the reality. One can realize the reality of things and beings by listening to one who is enlightened. And such beings are called Savaka Buddha. But some can observe things and beings, investigate things and beings, and then come to the conclusion. What look present and unpresent are only mental creations. They are mind-made. Manopubangama Dhamma. Dhamma means whatever the mind becomes aware of. Dhamma. Mano means measurement. Here measuring means measuring it to be present or unpresent. That leads to likes and dislikes. Electromagnetism is the foreign element that gets attached to our mind, polluting it, disillusioning it. Illusion is ignorance of the reality. Majority of the beings, unenlightened beings, all unenlightened beings, suffer from this disillusion, one called moha. Enlightened means one who has realized the reality as it is. That means who has understood the reality, seen the reality, free from prejudices of previous experiences. All our previous experiences are recorded in our mind. Therefore, whenever our sense organs experience something new, the previous memories crop up. If they look present, the mind starts liking them and tries to preserve them, while if things look unpleasant, the mind wants to resent them, avoid them. Productive of mental magnetism called likes and dislikes. Therefore, our likes and dislikes are productive of mental magnetism, which is not of the original mind, but in the polluted mind, adulterated mind. The original mind is called Nibbana, free from attachment, free from resentment. That means free from all bondages. Liking is a bondage, disliking is a bondage. Because the mind becomes bound to the present in order to preserve them, and resent the unpleasant in order to remove them. This is the productivity of electromagnetism called attraction and repulsion. It is only when there is no attraction and repulsion of mental magnetism, the mind becomes completely devoid of any transformation, any pollution, any disillusionment. And such a mind is called enlightened mind. Enlightened mind is a mind free of electromagnetism, but actuated by pure electricity only.